Hi, I'm Holly Prescott, and my husband John and I are going to be coming to your market center to teach a great class called Business by the Book. In this class, we are going to be covering what we believe are the two foundational handbooks for your business and possibly for your life. So what are we going to be covering? The first half of the day, we're going to be walking you through the one thing. We're going to be doing some powerful exercises because our goal is after this class, each day will be productive and fulfilling. In the afternoon, we're going to be covering the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, or the MREA. Now, this book is just as valid today as it was when it was written. However, we are going to be sharing with you some of the updated models based on research that Gary will be including when he does release MREA 2. So please join us for this class. Even if you think you've already read the books, please know that repetition is the mother of mastery. We know you will get great pearls of wisdom from this class. Thank you.